Hi, my name is Bill here at Wood Werks, and I'm going to give you a brief rundown on what we can have sharpened here at Wood Werks. We have a service that comes in from Canton, Ohio every Monday, so if you drop off something to have sharpened, it'll be picked up the next Monday, sharpened during that week, and returned the following Monday. We don't charge you until we get the bill back and understand what the bill is, and that will determine what you pay. It's worth noting that if you're not sure you need to sharpen something, go ahead and bring it in. If they can't sharpen it, they won't charge a bit, but they'll return it here, and then you can use it as a junk blade for whatever you want. We can have sharpened circular carbide saw blades. They will sharpen steel circular saw blades, router bits, a dado set. You want to bring the whole dado set in if you have that sharpened. Planer and joiner knives can be sharpened, paper and shear knives. And I want to give you an idea here of the average cost of some of these items. It's well worth having sharpened because a premium 10-inch saw blade, 40 teeth, can run $100 or more. So it's very reasonable to have it sharpened. And if it's got good carbide and you don't beat it up, it might be able to be sharpened several times. So a typical 24-tooth blade might run you $11, $12. A 40-tooth circular saw blade could be between $13 and $14. 60-tooth blade, which is quite common, $15 to $16, and 80-tooth blades, most common used by finishing carpenters, are going to run you between $18 and $19. What will increase the cost of these is if you have a tooth configuration like triple chip, which requires a little extra sharpening, or your blade has a face bevel, which usually causes us to have to run through the sharpening a couple times. Planer and joiner knives are all charged at 75 cents per inch per knife. So for example, a typical 6-inch knife would run you $4.50. Router bits, 2, 3, 4 flute router bits and spiral bits are going to be between $5 and $10. And shaper cutters, which can be big panel cutters with 3 wings, or smaller cutters, are going to run between $12 and $20. Just bear in mind that you can stack cutters on a shaper. You're not going to sharpen those all at once. They're going to separate out each one of those cutters and they'll all be charged separately. That's pretty much it. Hope to see you at Wood Werks.